From its earliest mentions in science fiction, artificial intelligence has been seen as an end to human labour. Creativity has been seen as the final frontier of humanity, something that can't be emulated by a computer. Unfortunately for those of us who are artistically inclined, this thinking may have been another example of human hubris. Jason Allen, a game developer from Pueblo West, Colorado, recently won an art competition using a digital art piece created by an AI. There has been mass outrage from the art community about this, saying that it's unethical to use AI as an assistant in creating your art. But Jason happily points out that the contest rules stated digital art is created using digital technology as part of the creative or presentation process, and that he never hid the fact that the base image was created using the Midjourney image program. He also maintains that a lot more work than just typing a single sentence went into the piece, including 80 hours of refinement of his phrasing, as well as many hours spent in Photoshop. It's also interesting to note that Photoshop itself contains many low-level AI abilities built into the program. The question turns into, where do we draw the line? AI image generation systems such as Google's Imagen, OpenAI's DALL-E, and Midjourney have become extremely popular in recent months for their ability to create beautiful pieces of art out of short written prompts. Of these, only Midjourney is available to the public through the use of the Discord chatbot on their official Discord server. DALL-E is currently invite only, with some people estimating that the invitation queue has an 18-month-long wait, although others have said they received access after only a few days. Unfortunately, Imagen is only available in-house at Google, so our only chance to try that one out is to move to San Francisco and find a high-paying tech job. Google also has an earlier, slightly different attempt at AI image generation, called Deep Dream. This was created as an attempt to visualize how neural network AI perceives an image, allowing the users to more effectively train their neural networks for image recognition. As it is a more primitive AI, Deep Dream takes image inputs rather than written prompts, and generates some extremely bizarre and surreal, but generally beautiful imagery. Deep Dream is also unique in that it is capable of generating videos and moving imagery, although it is still in the early stages of this new frontier. Most people may think that the imagery is ridiculous, but it's not a huge leap between seeing a bunny rabbit shape in a cloud floating through the sky as humans do, and seeing hundreds of eyes and fish gazing at you from the heavens while half-duck, half-hedgehog hybrids float serenely through the scene. This is not the first time that image generation AI has caused a controversy. In 2017, a Reddit user called Deepfake released a selection of videos they created using AI to stitch celebrity faces onto actresses in adult video scenarios. This form of face swap became known as deepfaking, and was met with much outrage and discussions about consent in the digital age. It also presented an alarming problem with disinformation, when some users created videos of President Obama and other world leaders saying humorous or shocking things. Luckily, deepfakes aren't all doom and gloom, with a dedicated community deepfaking new celebrities or even family members into their favourite movies. So what's your opinion on the AI-generated art piece? Should the reward be revoked? Or was Jason well within his rights to use artificial intelligence to his advantage? Remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos on Technology Torrent.